A 40-pound here is 6.25. We're pretty well across the board around 14 cents a pound. You get in a 90-pound washer and you're 12.25, somewhere in there.
Yeah. Cool. And their prices are the same in all your stores?
All of our stores.
How does your price in your less rural one, how does your pricing compare to that nicer one that's down the street?
I try and stay $0.25 cheaper just because my footprint is way smaller. I've got less folding room. I've got less room for customers to just comfortably seat around the area, less amenities. And so I think, we keep a really nice store. Our equipment is always working. It's rare that we have anything down. The equipment on the wash side, I'm usually within $0.25, 25 cents of all the wash side. The dry side is where I'm not quite as high as the real premium stores. Those guys around here, it's very common. I'd say it's almost rare to do not a full cycle dry. Everybody does full cycle dries at this point. For like a 50-pound dryer or even like an 80-pound dryer, we're like at $325, $350 for 30 minutes, 32 minutes. And these big stores are like $575 for 32 minutes. So they're definitely charging a premium on the dry side, I think.